All right. Sure. I would love to do those. How does the first one start, Monica? I don't remember right. I just want to, now that the camera's on. James is not here today. Well, that James is here today. And then James over there is here today. But James Riley is not here today. He had an emergency come up.
I know how to start.
That's the second one. How's this one go?
I know. Just give me a second.
One more time. Cool. Yeah.
So guess who's online?
Who?
James Riley, who
Oh,
is
yeah?
actually here, even though he's not here.
Cool. Can you move a little closer to me?
Not here, but still here.
Thanks. Cool. I forgot your name. What's your name again? What is it? Bruce. And you're from Canada, right?
Yes.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Right, we talked about, Patrick Orso, right? Yeah. Cool. Let's do those two things too. So we have a kids class before this, so we're running through a couple of things we just worked on here. Yeah. And James isn't here today because he had an emergency come up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, all right. Hello. How'd that go for you? Jennifer? Yeah? Good. Tip towards me a little bit. You can play, I'm trying to play into you, but I want you to play into me too.
Okay.
We'll provide a more unified sound that way. But I need help.
Be a wall of
James is here. There'll be a wall of fiddles. Next one. Chief Wheeler's favorite. No, what do you?
Yeah, we'll get there.
You'll get there.
What is it called?
Hey, would you like to be right in the middle of things?
Oh,
Yeah, you.
yeah, yeah. We need to do up here.
Yeah.
I'm saying the same thing. Come on. Come on. Just don't trip on the stuff.
Yeah, don't trip on all the fancy
What
stuff.
were those first two tunes? I know them, but I never remember names.
The first one is called there.
Carmen.
Oh,
Say that
that's
again.
right.
Flames of Boyle and Cronin's.
Oh, okay. I forget the names of everything, and I'll hear something, and then I'll start playing it. I'm like,
Hello, how are you?
good, how are you doing?
Good.
She doesn't speak.
I was
It's
sure. I know
voluntary.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. How's your? Yeah. Thank you for agreeing. You're gonna say no.
No.
Did we play soccer?
Yes.
Know how to play.
That's
I know where I learned
Exactly. It's so weird.
Corey, what's your favorite tune to play?
Oh, I don't know.
Corey, what's your favorite tune to play? All right, let's play them. Next one. One more time.
Sorry, space.
Good job.
Again.
I knew
I
you
realize I
were.
like Eastern without a tune.
I was just spacing out and continuously playing the better.
Yes, I know.
Whatever.
Hence my reminder to join us here.
Is that always go after the Brosnan slides, or is that a different tune that you
Nope,
just
it's a
play?
Brazos side.
Oh,
There's three of them.
There's three of them.
well,
So-
that, but I didn't think it was that one. That was the end.
No, it's that
I
one.
thought that was.
Is that the one where there's like
And
12?
sometimes the
I
fourth
think so.
one.
Like 24
You're
Boston
exactly
slides.
what
There's 5.
Sometimes we play after that one. We go.
Less than I thought.
I'm not drinking anymore. I'm just sure I got ice.
We like I've been hearing.
What are your favorite kinds of
You want
tunes to
ice
play?
cream? It makes my teeth hurt.
Real stiff.
This makes real. We haven't played it yet.
fish and chips. Those are really specific.
Or by the
Usually that fish is like pre-breaded and pre-cooked, so you usually don't have that stuff.
Do they do that here?
Well, usually my husband's a chef, so I have to check. They usually always comes all
So
like
sometimes I do that short roll.
all you just like dump the thing and it doesn't dump it in the fryer.
Sometimes I'm doing it kind of regular, but I compress it.
Really, I've
Like
never
even
seen
outside, like when we would do the outside sessions, so we got fish and chips. Well, you're playing the whistle. I'm like,
Right, that's true.
Yeah.
I've got one
Yeah,
more song down here.
what do you
Good.
think?
All right, Colleen.
Can't remember
What should we do
the
next?
name.
Yeah.
It's the one everybody learns first.
Mary Garden Chicks.
That's right. You.
We'll power through.
All right.
I mean,
First
you
one
can,
is
you play too.
no.
Oh, what is it?
The second tune is and then the third one is all right.
Yeah. And for those at home, Mary Bergen's workshop is when?
May 13th.
May 13th. Online.
Well, sorry, boo boo. But we are pleased that you ate mussels and oysters the other night, or whatever that was you guys had at your mom's birthday party. Would you guys have pig face?
We're going to Girl on the Go.
Girl on the go. Wow, how about that, huh?
Fancy dancy.
All right, you ready?
That's a fancy place.
How does it go?
It kind of reminds me of when I was a kid. Like I remember one time I was this little boy, and my parents had gone to the symphony, and we went on afterwards. And I ordered chicken Kiev, and they thought they were going to give me a children's menu. And my mom goes, "No, he always eats like that." Chicken Kiev. Like, are you sure? You know, I mean, this is the '70s, so yeah. It's breaded chicken filled with hot butter. And when you cut into it, the butter goes.
That sounds so
I don't know if they actually eat that in Kiev or not. I suppose we can find out now that Kiev's in the news. All right, first one again.
Ready?
Yeah. Good job.
Team Whistle. Love it when whistles start that. Just sit and listen to this. She sounds like great things.
Yeah, the whistles is real nice.
I mean, fiddle's great.
Fiddle's real nice.
Those whistles are fun to listen to.
Yeah, the drums are real nice too. She says that was a total afterthought. Yeah, the drum. And then there's the drum.
Oh, drums. It's our floor. It's what we stand on.
Wow, she's really being super
Now
confident.
she's here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that bad?
No,
Oh, good.
no. Sorry, I'm in a jovial, jocular mood. Not a Jay's. Speaking of Jay's, James, where you going? All right, buddy, old pal. What were those? There was a set of reels you played last time, and I sort of knew them. I remember I wrote them down, and I thought about them after you. Then I didn't see you for a few weeks. It was a reel that do you remember? It was like 3 reels. The which? The Tempest was one, yeah. Then Jenny's Wedding, yeah. Then what was the other one? Last one. Do you have a thing you normally do? You just don't remember the name, or are we winging it? Let's. Is that one called again? That's all right. I didn't mean to put you on the spot either. I'm trying to. The witch, the Kalier. What? Not that one. Oh, right. Kane. Eleanor Kane. James always with it one. Maybe we need to wait till next week when he's back, because if there's only 2 of us, then I will drag you down. I'll be like the albatross hanging around there. Can we do something else that probably you'd like instead, like those ones instead, the tar bolt? salute you. How was your food? Good. What'd you have? Mac and cheese. Is that your phone? Oh. That's what I thought. I was like, wow. Cool. You don't need a phone. Favorite tunes that you like to play or that you would be okay with starting? I forget. I should remember, but I don't. So. Oh, yeah. Let's wait till James is back because he can play that one better with you. I can play it, but not for the interwebs. What's another one? Kayate. We need that.
Come back to me.
All right, I'll come back to you. Annika, what?
Get on the mat.
Are you ready to play that one?
Yeah.
All right.
I've been playing that.
She wasn't on Wednesday.
But in a session, you can make mistakes.
That's true.
Kid on the mountain.
It's a subject. Limerick.
Oh
It's
yeah,
Tyler
that
said.
one.
Who's on right now?
Who's on?
Who's on
Online?
Yeah.
I don't know. 6 people. Who's on? Let's ask them. Who's on? Say hi.
Who are you?
Who
yeah,
are you?
who are you? Show your faces.
Show yourself.
Is Boris?
It doesn't
or is,
say.
Is
2 people just logged off.
I'll find out how to spell those pharaohs.
oh,
Can you teach me that one in our next lesson? I know partially.
we got to learn the first one first.
I do know.
You want to play that tune? How do you know that tune?
It was on the. We had a recording of the flaw, and there was a tune that Miss Emily taught me, and that one was after it, and I heard it really well.
Do you know it?
That one? I don't know what
That's
you
who
were
you're just playing now.
Sybil's here. There's a
Oh.
delay. Sybil Danon? How do
Oh
you say
yeah,
her name? Sybil? Is that right?
Seville. Yeah.
Sybil, yeah.
Yeah.
She's here. She's the only one.
Okay. She's living in the town right now.
She's the only one that's sad. But there's a delay, so
Oh.
Can
it's
you only tell if
hopefully.
you promise?
No, I think you
Yeah.
can. Well,
I used to if
like,
it was on the phone on Facebook, I can see it, but I can't see it.
Because that's why I sneaked in last week. Got you guys out.
It's
Didn't mean
very
to sneak.
Yeah, so everyone should tell us they're here.
Yeah.
You hear me? You should all say you're here. You hear?
Can you tell him here?
Where you going?
Is that you?
Huh?
Can you say, hey,
Well, I can't do that.
Maybe it's time to go. You get caught up in stuff. You should be more like, this is fun. I'm playing, not like, oh, then these arbitrary other things. Your brother's fine over there. Everyone's fine over there. They're sitting there. They're chilled out. They're looking. Yeah.
He probably doesn't want to go.
Yeah. He probably doesn't want to go. Yeah.
yeah, you get to play around.
I don't know.
You get to play around.
The set that on all.
All right.
And listen to Irish music.
Yeah.
He gets to play his outside and listen to
I
Irish
know. Like, what's more fun than that? He just ate mac and cheese too. It's like everything is good in his world right now. Until his sister comes.
He escalated cheese and bacon sandwich. I'm very jealous.
All right, what are we gonna have to play? Now that I've talked you back into saying,
I don't know. I just chose the last one.
oh, I know what.
in the fiddle section.
Yeah.
Ambulances come to the session.
And still hear the tin whistle, even though there's 8 fiddle players and only 2 tin whistles. I know.
That's how
Especially
only
when
one
one
barrel
barrel,
high
I can still hear that.
There's so
taking
many.
over. I just put louder.
Bye bye.
Oh, thank you. I love it.
James. Oh, we played that one, right? Ah. Dad's here.
What's the name of the second one?
In the tap room.
What was the last tune? No, what was the tune before you started
The Salamanca.
I know. I was thinking. I said,
Fun though.
I always think I'll remember when I get home, and I don't.
So enough to just remember my shoulder rest.
My big instruction for the week was to play super slow all week. Yeah, so now I'm like, yeah, everything feels really
So it's also on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
And is it on the
It's on
Facebook page
Facebook,
here?
it's on Mrs. Murphy's
Facebook page?
and YouTube, yeah. So we're super popular right now.
Yeah, we are.
We have 4 people on all 3 platforms.
Quit our jobs.
We need to
Are they
get
all
our
the same
relatives
people?
involved.
My dad's one of them.
I have like 5 friends I should contact.
I know every week.
Did you say James was on it too?
He was earlier, but he's having a fencing crisis.
Fencing
It
crisis.
sounds great, right? I don't know what that means, but
What the fencing
sure
crisis is?
I mean, I can make up all sorts of things in my head,
Oh,
for sure.
Robert from France came into it.
And he was like, on guard.
first time I'm surprised people refuse to fight right-handed anymore.
And that's it, southpaw. I bet it's probably actually very serious, so that's, but still. It would make a really great joke, though, if it wasn't serious,
Yes.
I think. It's a fencing crisis.
Yeah, but aren't those fences? They're not sharp, right?
No, but I mean, you could poke someone's eye out for sure. Hi, James.
See you, James.
I mean, that's why they wear masks.
Hi, James.
Look at all these empty chairs here.
By the way, what time
Yeah,
is
come
it?
up. It's a little after, quarter after 1.
Is this the zone of the camera zone?
Yeah.
Thought of something?
Couple puppets. I don't know her name.
That's fine. Nice. Next one. Nice. Where'd you get those three from?
They're some of the first parts that I learned. I'm from Minnesota. And I was taking a class there from, I don't know.
Was it Emily the teacher or Nora or do you remember who?
Judith Eisman.
The what?
Judith Eisman.
Oh no, okay. So those
Teaching at Fiddle at the time.
okay. The I know the Chieftains played
Music school.
before that even started. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. Nice. The chordal jig. There you go. Faking along is all right. Do you have tunes you like to play? I forget. Like I played with you a bunch of times, but I don't remember what your party pieces are.
Like the Mason's Apron.
Oh wow!
I was experimenting with playing it with reconciliation, but I don't know that one well enough to say.
Gotcha. And you go, how many parts do you do the Mason's Apron?
Just two.
So. All right. Yeah, we can try. Do you have another one besides how does reconciliation go?
I like just started messing with it, so.
Do you have a version that you're working on, or somebody who showed you the ropes on it? Sure. Sure. Can you lead on these ones?
I probably I could start Mason's Apron and not sure if I can start.
Could we go reconciliation into the Mason's Apron and see what that's all about? So are you just teaching them from the session.org, or how are you going about learning them?
I learned like way back when, full type, you know.
Yeah. From where? What source?
My teacher, Tara McGovern, gave it to me.
Where's Tara McGovern from?
Iowa City.
Iowa City, okay.
And then reconciliation. I got it during college from Meg Literal, and then like learned it.
Where'd you go to college?
I went to community college in Oakland.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye, nice to see you. Wow, that's cool. Iowa City, huh? Yeah, I love Iowa City. Yes. It's one of the college towns in Iowa. Do you go back there? Do you still have family there or something?
Yeah, my parents are there. I went back a couple weeks ago for a session with Tara and she raised.
There was an awesome Indian restaurant there with an awesome Indian with a buffet. Yeah, near the bookstore, and near that really cool coffee place. Like in the '90s, there weren't a lot of coffee places, and they had one in Iowa City. So I was always like, and what are the names of the rock clubs there? Rock, yeah, like go see like alternative music or the Gabe's? No, Gabe's. Yeah, I played at Gabe's probably 5 times, but not for 30 years. Yeah, nice to see you. Yeah. Reconciliation. I hope you come next week. We'll play that Ellen Arcade. That's it. Yeah, that's like. I knew it was something that I had worked on specifically. Yeah, Master McDermott. Yes.
I'll be back Wednesday. So I'll be back in April.
Okay. All right, you're here just visiting.
Yeah, I come back.
All right, great. It's good to see you, Bruce. Yeah.
Good to see you.
Heston's gonna track
Oh yeah.
Sunday.
Good to see you, Igor. Igor from Afghanistan.
I don't know if that.
That makes us seem weak with all these empty chairs there. How much time we got left? Corey, can we move up one seat? Do you mind? Sure. Sure. Where's that from?
What, the two?
Those two, yeah.
We've just always played them together.
Okay. We is you guys? We,
Like
yeah.
us and our friends. Just different ways.
All right, go for it. Colleen, you're in charge. Colleen has the helm. Cool. She doesn't know them.
Oh, maybe she danced on that one.
You do it so differently? That's the way I always do it?
Yeah, I didn't learn it. I didn't step on it.
Did you learn it from her then? Who learned it
I
from
think
her?
I learned it from Tony.
Yeah, I learned it from Tony, and I'm not sure Tony.
And then I might have learned it. Like, I think I remember Bahola playing that second tune. And I just remember walking by some festival and Bahola was playing.
Was I in
was
there
like,
still?
oh, that's how that second part is. Anyway,
And the first one again is which? Show me again.
it's Firmly Lasses done
Oh,
by
yeah.
Lassies.
Oh, right. If I could make a suggestion, it would be to play it like 20% slower.
Okay.
Get a little nature into it.
Get a little
Right now, you're
swing
just
in it.
racing through it, like,
Right.
because that's the way you guys played it, and like even playing it fast, I would hear it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Or,
like yeah, it sort of suits itself to fast playing on the whistle, I think. And you hear like we're still on, aren't we? I probably shouldn't be saying all these opinions to the world. Like Seamus Egan and the Ivers recorded this years ago in their Young Whippersnappers. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway. All right, and then the Dunbar Lasses. No. Anyway. All right, Corey, you're up again. Sure. Yay! That was good. So, you guys play the Battery Ram and Tell Her I Am? You should play these two tunes together. This is a quintessential sort of North comic set of jigs, and we'll play these in honor of a friend of mine that passed away on Thursday. His name is Albert Neary. He was a great flute player. He was a lovely gentleman. He was born here, and then his family moved back to Ireland. He grew up in Bohola, or near Bohola in County Mayo, which is near the border of Sligo, not that far. He was related to Jimmy Neary, who was the man who taught Johnny McGreevy how to play, and who wrote that cool jig. So this is for Albert Neary. He always played these two. These were, I would have kind of learned them from him. You should play with me if you can. Thank you. If we were to teach, all right, let's say goodbye. Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.